Hello friends, my name is Leigh and I make videos on photography as an art and as a lifestyle. Today, I'm adding in a bit of videography as well. The topic today is lighting. In particular, COLBOR asked me if I wanted to try out their new CL220R studio lights, which are continuous RGB LED lights. I've been using the CL220 non-RGB lights in my studio for over 6 months. Nearly all of my videos in that time have been lit with them. And Raymond and I even did a portrait shoot in the field with them. The point here being that, of course, I wanted to try out the new RGB lights. I knew they would be great and would add a fun component to my filming with the color capabilities. So thank you to COLBOR for sponsoring this video. Today, I will share how I'm using these new CL220R lights in my new studio lighting setup for photos and for video. Okay, like I said, I've been using the CL220 lights for months. They are powerful with a 220 watt output, and they're flexible with a color temperature range of 2700 to 6500 degrees Kelvin, along with a magenta to green balancing function. I have 2 of these lights with soft boxes on them illuminating me right now, but let's discuss this, the CL220R. It has everything that the CL220 has, but it also has RGB capability, meaning that I can tune these lights to all sorts of different colors. I have 2 of them. One of them is lighting my background right now. Let's look more closely at exactly how I have this set up and how I can change it all from right here with an app on my phone. And then we will jump over to the portrait project that I did last week. I have the 2 non-RGB lights on me. Like I said, they have soft boxes on them and they're at about 45-degree angles from me. I was looking for a bright, even lighting look. And then centered behind me, I have one of the RGB lights low and pointed up and slightly toward the backdrop for a splash of color. But let's play around a little bit. I have opened up the COLBOR Studio app on my phone and I want to change the color. You can make all of the settings changes on the light itself, but this app is fantastic. You can control the non-RGB portion as well, but I want to use the colors. I can choose one of the preloaded colors. I've even added preset colors, like so. But you can also hit pick a color and you can change the colors on this color wheel. It's super cool. I like to use the app because I can monitor my scene on the monitor that I have right there while I am choosing the color and see what it looks like. But like I said, you can make all of these settings changes on the light itself. And actually you can make all of the settings changes on the non-RGB version of the lights in this app as well. It just doesn't have the color. All right, let's move over to my portrait shoot so that I can show you the color picker option. Here's some footage of me setting up for the portrait shoot. I had both of the RGB lights on the background and I was experimenting with the colors. You can control them separately or make them a group so that they can change at the same time, which is what I did for this shoot. But then I realized how fun the color picker is, where you just point the phone's camera at a color and the lights change to that color. I had to play around with it. My thought for this portrait shoot was to have a color as a theme. I wanted the backdrop to be the same color as my shirt and my nails and my eyeliner. I again used a bright and even lighting look on me using the non-RGB lights, and I had both of the RGB lights pointed at the backdrop. By the way, I am using a gray seamless paper backdrop here. I did try my white backdrop, but the gray allows the colors to appear more saturated. These lights are a great option because they are so flexible. I haven't shown you all of the function of these lights. I've shown you the fun colors, but you can also use these like standard studio lights. You can use all sorts of modifiers because there's a Bowens mount as well as a NATO rail where I sometimes use V-mount batteries mounted on the lights instead of plugging them in. And then there's also an effects function where you can turn on different effects like fire, party, or lightning. If you're a videographer, that might be super interesting to you. I could keep playing with these all day. These CL220R lights are compelling to me and they will definitely be used often because they're just good all-around lights for how I work. inside, outside. I can plug them into AC. I can power them by battery. I can use all sorts of colors, either a natural look or kind of a crazy look. And they're just easy to work with. It means that I don't have to limit myself when I'm in the studio. If I have any idea I want to try, and there are some ideas that I want to try, these lights are going to help me achieve them. So if you are looking for studio lights, take a look at these. I will link to these in the description of the video. I will also link my video on the CL220 lights so that you can see Raymond and I using them out in the field and the results that you can achieve. Remember, I can achieve all of those results with these as well. With these, I'm in love. I will take all of the flexibility and all of the colors. Thank you to COLBOR for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching.